Hi guys, so today we're going to be creating a new account and leveling it up, and I'm going to give it away. So I've already collected the gifts and stuff to get me up to level 3 already. So I'm just gonna earn some more fame. Okay, so I've just leveled up to 4 and I've added my main account Rose level 8. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna go onto some other accounts and auto them. People starting to realise that it's me. So yeah, I'm going onto some other accounts so I can auto this account. Okay, so more and more people are asking to friend me, and I've leveled up a bit more. I need 918 more fame to get up to level 5. So some of my other accounts I've autoed this account, but I haven't collected them yet, so yeah. Some people are starting to gift me now as well, so that's kind of good, so you guys can have those gifts. Okay, so I've just got some more autos from some people, so I am leveling up quite a bit. I've only got 842 more fame to go, so it shouldn't be too long, but it will be quite nice if we could level up quite quickly. So yep, I'm just gonna go on some other accounts and auto them a bit more. Okay, so I'm now ready to collect all the autos. Okay, so I'm going to collect them now. Got 4 autographs and 4 love in my status. Okay, I'm almost leveled up. I only need 69 more fame. So I just need this one person to win. I just need her to win. So then, I can level up. So come on. I've got 640 coins as well. I'm just gonna put 2 so she can get it too. Pink Panther. Okay, so I have now leveled up to 5. What do I get? These are really lame gifts. So I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna change the colour of this. Okay, so it's just loading. It's taking forever. I have just got some more fame by watching some movies, so I should level up soon.